Hello, what is the role of support lines in the long uptrend line strategy? Well, I use support lines to buy my stock. For instance, we are going to analyze FDX as of today, April 24th, 2026. And we are using maximum daily chart. So I like to trace support lines, long support lines passing by the higher lows of the chart, and use that as a reference for my entry point. And I can trace some short one as well to see the trend, if the stocks is going down or if it's going up, because I use oblique support lines. And when I'm looking at FDX, I'm seeing these long support lines here. That is the support line I like to buy at. I will compare where the price is right now to that line, and right now the price is higher up compared to that line. So therefore, it's not the time for me to buy this stock just yet. I will go to maximum monthly chart to see if there is another one. There is another one below, but this is long, multiple years. We have the dates on the x-axis from the past to the present, and the price on the y-axis from $0 up. So those dotted lines are years. So this is long enough for me to rely on it. So it went through those 2 years. That's 2020 and pretty much maybe 2022, 2023 or so here. But you can adjust it the way you want it. If I pass through here, it's not going to touch some point. And since 2020 was a unique year, I assume maybe that year it went a little bit lower than the others. But then we have this year as well. So I pretty much move it up so that I can touch more points. And then I trace this one that touched the bottom of 2020, but then went a little bit into this one, which is 2000, maybe 2009. Yeah, 2009 or so. So it seems like during economical crisis, we have more dip than other years. So this is the line that I would want to buy at, but right now is higher up, and this is a support line. This is another one, and I like those oblique support line because I'm looking for growth stocks to swing trade, and growth stocks will have higher lows. So therefore, I like to trace oblique support line passing by the higher lows. For instance, this low is higher than this one, which is higher than this one, type of things. And connect the support lines, connect those higher lows, and with support lines, and I can have multiple, and I'll decide which ones I'm willing to buy the stock at, and I'll just analyze the stock comparing where the price is to that line, and when it's around that line area, I can buy some shares. So, and that is how I use my support lines. I use them to support the bottom of the chart, and this one I like to call it the valley. So pretty much I'm tracing support lines, but I like to, the one passing by the bottom of the chart, I like to call it the valley line, and the one supporting the mountain that the stock is claiming, I like to say that is support line, supporting the upside wall of the mountain. So I tend to trace those as well, because sometimes when the stock is going up for more than a year, that support line could look like a valley line, and you have to decide if it just continue to claim the mountain, and at some point will come down lower. So those are the way I use my support line. So thank you so much for watching our videos. We thank you very much for your time. Thank you for all your comments, and we thank you very much for subscribing to our channel. I'm Afiavi Liberman, Gros of Liberman Consulting L.L.C YouTube channel, and Ninasoap.com our blog. On our channel and on our blog, we share different ways to save money and different ways to make money to reach your financial independence, where you do not depend on an employer to provide for your family. And swing trading is one way to make money. As a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I swing trade in my husband and I personal or private joint account, and I like to share my knowledge on our YouTube channel. And in case there are few tips that can help you in your journey, that is the purpose of that. So thank you so much for your time. For more swing trading videos in this series, please check the playlist in the description of this video, and we do have other playlists in the description of this video as well. Thank you so much for your time. Happy swing trading.